2 minutes to sauce, a recipe for hoisin sauce. Hi guys, today we're going to make a hoisin sauce that is safer when you're in the middle of an IBD flare. This is a sweet and salty Asian-inspired sauce. You're going to love it. Your shopping list for this recipe includes a brown sugar substitute. This needs to be molasses-free, made from coconut flower nectar. Don't worry, I will give you a recommendation for this. Next, garlic shoot-infused oil. I made a previous video about this. It's super easy to do at home. Next, walnut butter, made from roasted walnuts, not raw walnuts. Roasted, and it needs to have a single ingredient of just walnuts. Then, ginger root juice. This is something that you do at home. Take ginger root, run it through your juicer, and that takes out 95% of the fiber. We want the ginger root juice. Next, rice vinegar, filtered water, then coconut aminos. This needs to be soy-free, made from coconut flower nectar. I'll give you a recommendation for this also. Next, sesame oil, arrowroot flour, black pepper, and kosher salt. Let's get to it. Okay, first we're going to need the brown sugar substitute that's molasses-free, made from coconut, and this is 38 grams. I like the Big Tree Farm brand of brown sugar, and if you look into the ingredients, it is certified organic fair trade granulated coconut blossom nectar. No molasses anywhere to be found, and this is a 1-to-1 ratio. Garlic infused. If you want to check out an earlier video about using the shoots from the garlic plant instead of the bulbs that are underneath the ground to infuse your oil, that is a safer way for us to be able to have that garlic flavor profile, but not have it in something that can bother us during an IBD flare. Okay, so we need 27 grams of this garlic infused oil. Next, our walnut butter, and that is 34 grams. Then our ginger root juice, this is 15 grams. This has been pre-measured. And we need rice vinegar, 21 grams of that. Then we have filtered water, it is 15 grams. Next we have cocoa aminos, this is 10 grams. I like the Big Tree Farms brand because this is made from coconut nectar. It's not soy, so if you need to go soy-free, if soy gives you trouble, then this is a really nice substitute. Then 9 grams of sesame oil, 3 grams of arrowroot flour, and 5 grams each of ground black peppercorn and kosher salt. Okay, I have a small whisk. We're going to whisk this up. And I will share with you that when you are trying to get walnut butter into a sauce, it can take a quick minute to get that done. Just have some patience and keep going, and you'll get there. Let's check it out. This is outstanding. You're going to love it. This recipe yields 3/4 cup or 182 grams in total. This recipe gives you 2 servings of 91 grams each, which is just a little over 1/3 cup.
This is IBD Vegan. I'm your host, Alexis, and I want you to remember, it is possible to become more educated, resilient, and feel empowered for a better quality of life.